Hey, you two, welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. These are some of the books that my wife got. Two of them from Amazon, and this one from another company. So anyway, let's go ahead and open this up and show you guys. Airbag. So this one's the shade, A Tale of Two Presidents by P. Sosa. It's a picture of our White House. Let's go ahead and open this up. Wow, this one is so heavy. It's a nice saran wrap. Too bad this one doesn't have it. Alright, let's go ahead and open the last box. And that should be it. So my bad. The last one is the Ben and Jerry ice cream stuff. Signed March trilogy slipcase set pre-order. And Ben and Jerry scoop. Ben and Jerry t-shirt unisex. Love come in all flavors. Size medium. Okay. Wow, this is what I need. Bubble wrap. ASMR. Yeah. So good. So here's the ice cream scoop. Come with a 1-year warranty. This one must be the T. And this is by Bella Canvas, size medium, 52% cotton, 48% polyester, made in USA. Got this nice Ben and Jerry on the front hit with the colorful cows. And that's it. Let's go ahead and check out this. Oh my God, more bubble wrap. Since 1978. Wow, look at that. Pretty heavy, eh? Wow. Like a cardboard case. Got the March Book 1, March Book 2, March Book 3. What the? Look at that. Comic book or what? Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.